Welcome to Watts. Here we'll guide you through the standard uses, features, and benefits of the Dormont Blue Hose. The world's first commercial kitchen gas connector, the Blue Hose is the preferred and specified product of the food service industry. Today's Blue Hose is the result of over 40 years of continuous improvement, with features like a tightly woven stainless steel braiding that prevents corrugations from stretching when the gas equipment is moved, and heavy-duty stainless steel corrugated tubing that gives the Blue Hose superior bending properties while extending the life of the hose. The Blue Hose also has antimicrobial PVC coating to help prevent grease buildup while inhibiting the growth of bacteria, mold, and mildew without shrinking, even in the high-temperature environment behind kitchen gas equipment. Stress Guard rotational fittings reduce stress at the connector ends, making it easy to install. In addition to safety, the Blue Hose increases mobility, kitchen productivity, and cleanliness. For additional details on the product, including installation, head to dormont.com.